Philosophers have studied counterfactual for decades. Will they help us unlock the mystery of our AI? Artificial intelligence is increasingly being rolled out all around the world to help make decisions in our lives, whether it's loan decision by banks, medical diagnosis, or US law enforcement predicting a criminal likelihood of reoffending. Yet many AI systems are black boxes, no one understanding how they work. This has led to a demand for explainable AI so we can understand why an AI model yielded a specific output and what basis may have played a role. Explainable AI is a growing branch of AI research, but what fares less well now is the role philosophy plays in its development. Specifically, one idea called counterfactual explanation is often put forth as a solution to the black box problems. But once you understand the philosophy behind it, you can start to understand why it falls short. Why explanation matter? When AI is used to make life-changing decisions, the people impacted deserve an explanation of how that decision was reached. This was recently recognized through the European Union Journal Data Protection Regulation, which support an individual right to explanation. The needs for explanation was also highlighted in the robot case in Australia, where an algorithm was used to predict debt levels for individuals receiving Social Security. The system made many mistakes, placing people into debt who should not have been. It was only once the algorithm was fully explained that the mistake was identified. But but by then the damage had been done. The outcome was so damaged it led to a royal commission being established in August 2022. In the reported case, the algorithm in question was fairly straightforward and could be explained. We should not expect this is always be the case going forward. Currently, more using machine learning to process data and much more sophisticated. The big glaring black box. Suppose a person named Sarah applies for a loan. The bank asks her to provide information including her marital status, debt level, income, saving, home, address, and age. The bank then feeds the information into an AI system which returns a credit score. The score is low and is used to disqualify Sarah for the loan, but neither Sarah nor the bank employees know why the system scored Sarah so low. Unlike the Robin Hood, the algorithm being used may be extremely complicated and not easily explained. There is therefore no straightforward way to know whether it was made a mistake, and Sora has no way to get the information she needs to argue agent the decision. The sensori is not entirely hypothetical. Loan decisions are likely to be outstanding algorithm.